Here's the thing. They're not supposed to be spicy.
Hey, you guys know where I can find Coquito anywhere around here?
No idea.
Wait, what's Coquito?
You don't know what Coquito is? And you want some Coquito? Let's just make it.
That's a good idea, Lauda.
Let's do it.
Wait, there's cameras. Hey.
Today, we're making Coquito.
What we're gonna be doing
We
is
opened them all
pouring
ourselves.
all of these things into here. Evaporated milk,
How much?
4 ounces.
Hold on. 12? Nope.
Wait. Look at
No,
this
let's
is
start.
cups.
It's this
It's
this
that.
much, it's this much. We figured it out.
Half a teaspoon of freshly ground nutmeg.
Not a teaspoon, half a teaspoon.
It says half a teaspoon aquí.
Ah, bueno. I gotta check you because you know who will. How much coconut cream?
15 ounces.
13. Well, the whole thing.
Okay, the whole thing, and then a little bit more. Mira, we got this. ¿Cuánto de coconut milk?
1 can of that.
The Gemini
What's
in me is
everyone's
having
size?
fun.
Condensed
milk. 1 full can, yes.
Wait, and now we shake it. When do we shake it?
Yeah, when do we
But hold on, we still have the vanilla and then this and then this. When do we put all of this? Mira, you're
I know,
missing
I know, I know, I
ingredients.
know, I know.
Who gave this man directions?
Should take around 5 minutes to make this.
I feel like it's been an hour.
4 tablespoons of shredded coconut. Optional.
Vanilla.
2 cinnamon
No,
sticks.
vanilla!
Why
How
do
much?
we care about vanilla? It's saying cinnamon sticks now.
Okay, fine. Cinnamon sticks now. Okay, how much do we put of vanilla?
Half a teaspoon.
And now we blend it.
Yes.
And we did nutmeg.
The cinnamon sticks, we did the nutmeg, we did it all.
Guys, this was stressful and this was not 5 minutes. I'm now taking over as the reading instructor.
Hate it.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, bueno,
know what we're doing.
puree it.
What is it doing?
Hey team.
Hi, team.
I need to get this into 3.5 cups.
Okay,
No,
team.
just eye it. Just, mira.
3 cups of that.
Yes.
That's not that much, guys. Mira, that's not a lot.
All right.
Chill for at least 4 hours before serving.
4 hours?
That's okay. We'll do it.
Oh,
4 hours later, we have a coquito cold.
Wow, guys.
What do you think?
That's mi Coquito.
We did.
we did. It was so easy.
Ow!
Cheers. Cheers.
Looks like tartar sauce.
That's actually not bad, guys. It's runny. You guys like blend the cinnamon sticks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's just ground cinnamon. I think the sticks is just a garnish.
This was your fault. This was your doing.
Why would
No
we
le
soak them?
hice
No,
mal.
it's good.
Why
It's
would we
good.
soak
No,
them?
no, no,
Leo, mal.
Guys, this is mad good. This is like not my tia's, but it's like real close. It's real good.
And now you know what a coquito is.
I know, my first Coquito. And I
True.
made it with you guys.
Aw.
Mira, look at us.
Hey.